Are you struggling with a fingerprint sensor that fails to recognize your fingerprints? Keeping these sensors clean and well-maintained is crucial for fast and accurate authentication. Let's walk you through how to clean the optical fingerprint sensor. Firstly, you need to prepare the materials below: isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloth, cotton swabs, and an air blower, if needed. With these materials in hand, you're set to restore your fingerprint sensor to top performance. Step 1. Power down your device. Step 2. Clean with a microfiber cloth. Step 3. Dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol. Step 4. Clean the sensor surface. Step 5. Dry the sensor. Step 6. Remove debris with an air blower, if needed. Step 7. Power on the device. Done. By following these cleaning precautions, you'll ensure your fingerprint sensor lasts longer and performs at its best, providing seamless authentication in your daily life. Visit Aratek website for more information.